Hi Flat Earthers, this is Zach.
And this is Karen B.
Almost all Flat Earthers believe that stars and planets are just little lights in the sky, not as big and far as NASA says. So when you say that if all planets are round then the Earth cannot be flat, then you are considering the Earth as a planet too. And that is not what we say or think. So that is a false claim in the first place. This is exactly like saying, if all these pool balls are spherical, then the pool table must be spherical too.
You must unlearn what you have learned.
And if you still have the same question in your head, then here is something curious for you to think about. How do we know that the moon is a sphere? Have we ever seen the other side of it? No. I will let my friend Karen B show you a little demonstration.
When something is round and too far away from you, you cannot say what shape it is. It can be a flat plate, it can be oblate, it can be concave, it can be a sphere. You just can't tell. Here are 4 objects. They all look round, right? But are they all spheres? How would we know? What if I told you that there is only one object that is not spherical? Can you tell what it is? Can you tell me how you knew it? How would we even know the distance? I can tell you that they are 100 feet away and you will believe it, but they can only be a few inches away.
And I can tell you that they are 10 meters in diameter, but they could only be 5 centimeters in diameter. You can never know using your camera.
Please look at them carefully. Here is the only object that is not spherical here. Here it is. I bet you thought it would be another one. But it will blow your mind if I tell you that this second object is also not spherical, and it's flat. And it will blow your mind even more if I tell you that this third object is concave. But how about this one? This is the only spherical object. We could have an oblate object and you would think it's spherical as well. So looking at something round does not mean it's a sphere. Have you ever seen the moon rotating in the sky? You have always seen one side of it, which makes it impossible for anyone to say the moon is spherical. However, using the word round is correct. A plate is also round. Look at this moon right here. Does it look round? Yes. Does it look like a sphere? Yes. Is it really a sphere? Let's find out. Well, it's not. It's flat. You got tricked again. Please bear in mind that there is no refraction between the camera and the moon image. Imagine if you are looking at this image from underwater. You would not only have a problem of determining the shape or distance of it, but you will also have a problem with determining the position of it, because refraction changes the position of anything. So how do we know the shape of the moon? We will have to go to it. So who went to the moon? NASA or other space agencies?
Who told you the moon is a sphere?
NASA.